everyone, welcome back to craft class. Today we are going to learn pen stand and phone stand with ice cream sticks. Let's start doing it. For making pen and phone stand, we need ice cream sticks, Fevicol, scissors and cardboard. Let's start doing it. First we are going to take a cardboard and we are going to apply the glue. You can take any cardboard or a chart paper. I have taken a chart paper and you are going to stick like this till the end. Like this. So I have completed this and I have cut sides also, and you are going to roll this. You are going to roll this like this and you are going to apply the glue, the edge. If you want, you can use a glue gun also, children. Choice is yours. If you want fast to stick, this Fevicol, it will take more time to stick. So I have sticked this. We'll keep aside this. Next, we have made it this the stand. We'll keep aside. Then we'll take another cardboard for the base. Then this also you are going to apply the glue. And you are going to stick the base also equally. And children, you have to check the sticks also. It should be straight. It should not be crooked like this. You are going to stick like this very near. Here I have taken more extra little. Here the paper is extra cardboard and you are going to stick here also. See children, here I have completed this base. So we have to stick this pen stand like this. Okay, now we'll make a phone stand. For that, now you have to keep the sticks like this, both equally, and you are going to apply the glue, or you can take Fevikwik or glue gun also. like this. You can keep how much you want this base, that much sticks you have to stick. This is front part, what I am sticking. Okay, it will be like this. Stand, back side. Okay, here I am going to apply the glue like this, and I am going to stick full till the end like this. Here I have completed full. We'll wait for a little to dry. Now I think this has dried it. We'll turn it into another side, and now we are going to decorate this front side. For that, we'll take a color paper and a punch. Here I have taken this punch and I have sticked the kundan also, mirror also like this. Now I am going to decorate this front part. Decoration, choice of yours, how you decorate it. Another side also. Here I have decorated. Now we are going to take a base. Even this is a pen stand, na? So you can stick this also like this. Decoration is choice of yours, how you decorate it. Take a base. Already we have done this, and this you are going to stick like this. Yeah children, we have did this. I hope you have liked this. Okay, it will take little time to dry. Still it is not yet dried it. Okay, I hope you all liked it children. Thank you. Bye.